12 cancer-causing foods that you should not eat. Today, we're addressing a subject that touches the lives of millions: cancer. In this video, we'll explore the intricate relationship between diet and cancer risk, shedding light on how our food choices can influence our health outcomes. Cancer, a complex disease characterized by abnormal cell growth, affects individuals worldwide, with its causes often intertwined with our lifestyle habits. While genetics and environmental factors play significant roles, emerging research underscores the importance of diet in modulating cancer risk. Did you know that certain dietary patterns can either mitigate or exacerbate cancer risk? Throughout this video, we'll unravel the science behind 12 dietary factors known to influence cancer risk. Stay tuned as we embark on this enlightening journey toward better health and cancer prevention through mindful dietary choices. Remember, knowledge is power, and together we can empower ourselves to lead healthier, happier lives. Let's get started. Number 1. Processed meats. Processed meats, including bacon, sausage, hot dogs, and deli meats, are classified as Group 1 carcinogens by the International Agency for Research on Cancer (IARC), indicating strong evidence that they cause cancer in humans. The primary reason behind this classification lies in the processing methods and chemical additives used in these products. During processing, meats undergo various treatments such as curing, smoking, and adding preservatives like nitrites and nitrates to enhance flavor and extend shelf life. High-temperature cooking methods like frying or grilling further compound the issue by producing carcinogenic compounds such as heterocyclic amines HCAs and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons PAHs. These compounds can damage DNA and increase the risk of cancer development, particularly colorectal cancer. Additionally, processed meats often contain high levels of salt and saturated fats, which can contribute to inflammation and other cancer-promoting processes in the body. Reducing consumption of processed meats and opting for healthier protein sources like lean meats, poultry, fish, legumes, and plant-based alternatives can significantly lower the risk of cancer and improve overall health. Number 2. Red meat. Red meat, encompassing beef, pork, lamb, and veal, has been associated with an increased risk of cancer, particularly colorectal cancer, according to numerous scientific studies. The mechanisms behind its carcinogenic potential are multifaceted. Firstly, red meat contains heme iron, which can promote the formation of N-nitroso compounds in the gut, known carcinogens implicated in colorectal cancer development. Moreover, cooking red meat at high temperatures, such as grilling, frying, or broiling, leads to the formation of heterocyclic amines HCAs and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons PAHs, both of which are carcinogenic substances. These compounds can damage DNA and increase the likelihood of cancerous cell growth. Furthermore, the high fat content in red meat, especially saturated fats, can promote inflammation and contribute to oxidative stress, creating an environment conducive to cancer development. Reducing the consumption of red meat and incorporating more plant-based proteins, fish, poultry, and lean meats into the diet can help mitigate the risk of cancer while promoting overall health and well-being. Number 3. Fried foods. Fried foods, commonly found in fast food and processed snacks, pose a potential risk for cancer due to the formation of harmful compounds during the frying process. When foods like potatoes, chicken, or donuts are deep fried or cooked at high temperatures, they undergo chemical reactions that lead to the production of acrylamide, a known carcinogen. Acrylamide forms when certain amino acids and sugars react at temperatures above 120C248F, which commonly occurs during frying or baking. This compound is found in high concentrations in fried potato products like French fries and potato chips, as well as in other fried foods. Studies suggest that long-term exposure to acrylamide may increase the risk of several types of cancer, including kidney, ovarian, and endometrial cancer. Additionally, acrylamide has been found to damage DNA and impair the body's ability to repair genetic mutations, further elevating cancer risk. Reducing the consumption of fried foods and opting for healthier cooking methods like baking, grilling, or steaming can help minimize exposure to acrylamide and lower the risk of cancer. Number 4. Charred foods. Charred foods, particularly meats cooked at high temperatures over an open flame or on a grill, can contain potentially carcinogenic compounds known as heterocyclic amines HCAs and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons PAHs. These compounds form when muscle meats, poultry, or fish are cooked at high temperatures, causing the sugars, amino acids, and creatine found in these foods to react. HCAs and PAHs have been linked to an increased risk of various cancers, including colorectal, pancreatic, and prostate cancer. When ingested, these compounds can damage DNA and lead to mutations that promote the development of cancerous cells. The degree of charring and the level of doneness of the meat are significant factors in the formation of these compounds. To reduce exposure to HCAs and PAHs, it's advisable to use gentler cooking methods, such as baking, stewing, or boiling, and to avoid charring or overcooking meats. Additionally, marinating meat before cooking and removing charred portions can help minimize the formation of these harmful compounds. Number 5. Sugary drinks. Sugary drinks, including soda, energy drinks, and sweetened fruit juices, contribute to cancer risk through several mechanisms. These beverages are typically high in added sugars, which can lead to weight gain and obesity when consumed in excess. Obesity is a significant risk factor for several types of cancer, including breast, colorectal, pancreatic, and endometrial cancer. Moreover, sugary drinks can cause spikes in blood sugar levels, leading to insulin resistance and increased production of insulin like growth factor 1 IGF-1. Elevated levels of IGF-1 have been associated with an increased risk of certain cancers, including breast and prostate cancer. Furthermore, sugary drinks lack essential nutrients and fiber found in whole fruits and vegetables, which are protective against cancer. Regular consumption of these beverages also displaces healthier options like water, which is essential for overall health. Reducing the intake of sugary drinks and opting for water, herbal teas, or unsweetened beverages can help lower cancer risk and promote better health outcomes in the long term. Number 6. Alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption is a well-established risk factor for various types of cancer, including liver, breast, colorectal, esophageal, and oral cancers. The ethanol in alcoholic beverages metabolizes into acetaldehyde, a known carcinogen that damages DNA and interferes with the body's ability to repair genetic mutations. Chronic alcohol consumption also leads to inflammation and oxidative stress, contributing to the development of cancerous cells. Alcohol consumption increases the risk of breast cancer by altering hormone levels and increasing estrogen production. In addition, alcohol can damage the liver, leading to cirrhosis and increasing the likelihood of liver cancer. The risk of developing alcohol-related cancers is dose-dependent, meaning the more alcohol consumed, the higher the risk. To mitigate cancer risk, it's advisable to limit alcohol intake to moderate levels, which is defined as up to 1 drink per day for women and up to 2 drinks per day for men. However, for some individuals, particularly those with a family history of cancer or other risk factors, even moderate alcohol consumption may be detrimental. Therefore, moderation or abstaining from alcohol altogether is recommended for those concerned about cancer risk. Number 7. Highly processed foods. Highly processed foods, often laden with additives, preservatives, and unhealthy fats, contribute to cancer risk through various pathways. These foods, including fast food, packaged snacks, and sugary treats, are typically high in refined sugars, unhealthy fats, and low in essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Regular consumption of highly processed foods is associated with weight gain, obesity, and metabolic disorders, which are known risk factors for cancer development. Additionally, processed foods often contain artificial additives and preservatives, some of which may have carcinogenic properties or disrupt normal hormonal balance in the body. Furthermore, the high levels of unhealthy fats, such as trans fats and saturated fats, found in many processed foods can contribute to inflammation and oxidative stress, promoting the growth of cancerous cells. To reduce cancer risk, it's important to prioritize whole, minimally processed foods. like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Limiting the intake of highly processed foods and opting for nutritious, whole food alternatives can help lower cancer risk and promote overall health and well-being. Number 8. Artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners, commonly used as sugar substitutes in various foods and beverages, have been a subject of debate regarding their potential carcinogenic effects. While research results are mixed, some studies suggest a possible link between artificial sweeteners and cancer risk, although the evidence is inconclusive in humans. Aspartame and saccharin, two widely used artificial sweeteners, have been studied extensively for their potential carcinogenic properties. Animal studies have shown that high doses of these sweeteners may increase the risk of certain cancers, such as bladder cancer, in the case of saccharin. However, human studies have not provided clear evidence of a direct link between artificial sweetener consumption and cancer risk. Regulatory agencies like the FDA and EFSA have deemed artificial sweeteners safe for human consumption within recommended daily intake limits. Despite this, some individuals may choose to limit their consumption of artificial sweeteners as a precautionary measure, opting for natural sweeteners like stevia or using small amounts of sugar in moderation can be alternatives for those concerned about potential health risks associated with artificial sweeteners. Number 9. Trans fats. Trans fats, commonly found in partially hydrogenated oils, used in processed and fried foods, pose a significant risk for cancer development. These artificial fats are created through the process of hydrogenation, which turns liquid oils into solid fats and increases the shelf life and stability of foods. Trans fats are known to promote inflammation, increase LDL cholesterol levels, the bad cholesterol, and decrease HDL cholesterol levels, the good cholesterol, contributing to a higher risk of heart disease. Moreover, trans fats have been linked to an increased risk of cancer, particularly breast and colorectal cancer. The mechanisms through which trans fats contribute to cancer development include oxidative stress, DNA damage, and disruption of cell signaling pathways. Additionally, trans fats can promote the growth and spread of cancer cells by altering gene expression and promoting tumor angiogenesis. To reduce cancer risk, it's essential to limit consumption of foods high in trans fats, such as fried foods, processed snacks, baked goods, and margarine. Choosing healthier fats like olive oil, avocado oil, and nuts can help promote better health outcomes and lower the risk of cancer. Number 10. Excessive salt. Excessive salt consumption, particularly from salt-preserved foods like pickled vegetables and processed meats, has been associated with an increased risk of cancer, particularly stomach cancer. The high salt content in these foods can damage the lining of the stomach and increase the risk of developing gastric cancer. Salt-preserved foods are often consumed in various cultures as a method of preservation and flavor enhancement. However, the salt used in these processes can lead to chronic inflammation and irritation of the stomach lining, which may contribute to the development of cancerous cells over time. Furthermore, high salt intake can also elevate blood pressure and increase the risk of hypertension, which is a risk factor for cardiovascular diseases and indirectly contributes to cancer development. Reducing the consumption of salt-preserved foods and opting for fresh or minimally processed alternatives can help lower salt intake and decrease the risk of cancer. Additionally, using herbs, spices, and other flavorings can enhance the taste of foods without relying heavily on salt. Number 11. Low fruit and vegetable intake. A diet low in fruits and vegetables is linked to an increased risk of cancer due to the lack of essential nutrients, antioxidants, and dietary fiber found abundantly in these foods. Fruits and vegetables contain vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals that play crucial roles in maintaining overall health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases, including cancer. Antioxidants found in fruits and vegetables help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, which can damage cells and contribute to cancer development. Additionally, dietary fiber promotes digestive health and helps remove toxins and waste products from the body, reducing the risk of colorectal cancer. Furthermore, fruits and vegetables are low in calorie density and high in water content, making them excellent choices for weight management and reducing the risk of obesity-related cancers. A diet rich in a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables can provide essential nutrients and protective compounds that help lower the risk of cancer and promote overall health and well-being. Incorporating a diverse range of fruits and vegetables into daily meals is a fundamental aspect of a cancer-preventive diet. Number 12. Low-fiber diet. A low-fiber diet is associated with an increased risk of cancer, particularly colorectal cancer. Fiber, found in plant-based foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds, plays a crucial role in maintaining digestive health and reducing the risk of various cancers. Dietary fiber adds bulk to stool and helps regulate bowel movements, which promotes regularity and prevents constipation. It also acts as a prebiotic, nourishing beneficial gut bacteria that contribute to a healthy microbiome and reduce inflammation in the colon. Moreover, fiber helps dilute and eliminate potential carcinogens and toxins from the digestive tract, reducing the exposure of colon cells to harmful substances that can promote cancer development. A diet low in fiber often leads to sluggish digestion and prolonged exposure of the colon to waste products, which may increase the risk of colorectal cancer over time. Consuming a variety of fiber-rich foods as part of a balanced diet can help maintain digestive health, reduce the risk of cancer, and promote overall well-being. Summary: in this insightful video, we navigate the intricate relationship between diet and cancer prevention. Cancer, a complex disease affecting millions worldwide, is often influenced by lifestyle choices, including dietary habits. Join us as we explore the latest research and scientific insights into how our food choices can either mitigate or exacerbate cancer risk. Through engaging visuals and expert commentary, we delve into 12 key dietary factors known to impact cancer risk. From processed meats and sugary beverages to trans fats and low-fiber diets, discover the mechanisms behind how these dietary elements can influence the development and progression of cancer, and learn practical tips for making healthier choices in your everyday life. Join us on this empowering journey toward better health and cancer prevention through mindful dietary decisions. Let's unlock the secrets to living a vibrant and resilient life, one nutritious bite at a time. Subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content on health, wellness, and lifestyle. Together, let's embrace a future where prevention is key and health is our greatest asset.